Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all you will be fine. Today our topic is from computer class 7 and unit 1, and the topic is hints and tips, page number 20. First of all, please open your computer books, page number 20, and see the topic hints and tips. First of all, we discuss about what is hints and tips. The operating system is the main working environment on your computer. For this reason, it's important for it to be as friendly as possible. Because without operating system, we cannot operate anything, any device, any machine. We cannot do anything. So, it must be friendly and easy to use and fun for you to use. All the operating system gives you the necessary tools to change the environment and setting. As you know, there are a setting in our mobile phones, in our computers, which we change according to our taste and according to our need. First of all, we discuss about mouse setting. In Microsoft Windows, what is the concept of mouse setting? The first setting that you are going to learn how to change are those of your mouse. Microsoft Windows offers you a way to customize the buttons of your mouse or the movement of your cursor, which is very handy. To change the mouse setting, what we should do? Click the start button and then click on control panel. You know very well where we can find control panel. Click on mouse. The mouse properties windows will appear. Then you can change your mouse setting. And the second topic is program and features. Program and features. Here you can remove a program that you have installed on your computer. This feature is used to remove a program when we install many applications, softwares in our computer, and after some time we have no need to use these programs and features. We delete it and remove from our computer. To remove a program, once you delete a program, in this way it permanently deleted from your computer. If you want this program again, you will have to reinstall it. It will be permanently deleted, but if you have need more to use it, you will have to reinstall it. And the next point is customize your desktop. You know very well how to customize your desktop. You already learned how to change the appearance of your computer system, of your operating system. Now let us see some new tricks. Some new tricks is how to you can change your desktop icons. We can change our desktop icons in small size, in medium size, and in a large size. We can rearrange the desktop icons. Select the one you want and drag and drop it anywhere you like. Similarly, on our mobile phones, we can drag and drop icons and we can place anywhere where you want. To change the size icon, we can large, medium and small icons. We can apply on our desktop icons. And the next is multitasking. Multitasking. What is multitasking? Multitasking allows how to work with many programs simultaneously and have many files and folders open. When there are many files and folders open, it is called multitasking. We use many files and folders and working on it, and many applications are open in our computers. It is called multitasking. You can arrange them in a way that makes working our easily. For more details, you can visit the page number 23 of your digital workbook. And the next data running, and it is very useful when a program is not responding to your command. You can right click an empty space in your taskbar, click Taskbar Manager, click the program that is not responding and click End Task. It is a very important point is here. Close only the program that is not responding. Don't close anything else because you might lose unsaved work. And the next is remove a storage device. How to remove a storage device? As noted earlier, all the storage devices appear on my computer. You know very well, all the storage devices which we are connect to computer, all they appear on my computer. When we connect USB port or a flash to your computer, then it will be appear on my computer. When you insert a memory stick or an external hard disk drive for the first time, you have to wait little bit until your computer recognize the new device. Most of the storage devices are connected through a USB port. You know very well, we connect our flash, our external cards through a USB port. After your computer install your device, you can open the microcomputer window and find it there. After your computer install your device, you can open the My Computer window and find it there. Our next point is help. Every program needs to have help. Every program needs to have help. Our next point is help. Every program needs to have help installed so that every user can look up easily anything they can find. The same goes for your operating system. Help provides you with all the necessary information in order for your work with your program. It is very easy. By using this feature, you can easily find all the setting and support of your operating system, of your mobile phone, of your computer or anything else. Help option is must be available in all the computers and all the mobile phones. File properties. All of you know very well about what is file. All of you know very well about file, what is folder, and how it is created and how it is saved. First of all, we discuss about type of file and how it is open, where is it located, its size on disk, how it is created, how it is modified, how we can access the file, and how we can hide a file, how we can set privacy on our files. You already know how to create a file and folder. Every file or folder has some information like the date, when it is created, when it is located on the hard disk, etc. Our last option is point is properties. Properties of a file. Here we discuss about properties of file. Types of file. Open with. Types of file. Open with. How we can open a file. How we can find the location of the file. How we can show the size of the file. And resize the size of the file. Size of disk, how we can create a new file, how it is modified, how it is accessed, and hidden makes the file invisible, read only,